How to installing billet hood hinges on Camaro or Firebird. Are you looking to enhance the performance and aesthetics of your Camaro or Firebird? Installing billet hood hinges can be a game changer. Follow along for a detailed walkthrough of the installation process, so you can upgrade your ride with style and functionality. Welcome to Auto V Fix, your go-to channel for all things automobiles. Today, we're excited to share with you a step-by-step guide on how to install billet hood hinges on your Camaro or Firebird. This upgrade will not only enhance the performance of your vehicle, but also give it a sleek, stylish look. So, let's dive in. Understanding the installation process. Installing 80 Motorsports hood hinges requires attention to detail and a thorough understanding of the process. From adjusting for proper fit to reusing longer bolts, each step is crucial to the success of the installation. Don't worry, we'll break it down for you in simple terms. Understanding the process is key to a successful installation, so take your time and follow along carefully. Pre-installation checks. Before starting the installation, ensure your hood alignment is spot on. This will save you time and headaches later on. Take a moment to double-check everything is in place. Make sure the hood is properly aligned with the fender and that the strut is clean and greased. Double-checking these details will ensure a smooth installation process. Step-by-step installation guide. Now let's get to the installation. Align the hood hinges with the fender, clean and grease the strut, and assemble with the included hardware and clips. It's a smooth and straightforward process. The billet hood hinges come with all the necessary hardware and clips, making the installation a breeze. Take your time and make sure everything is securely in place before moving on to the next step. Optimizing the installation. To ensure a seamless operation, use clips to secure the brackets and apply white lithium grease on the brackets and balls. Don't forget to use shorter bolts with thread entices to secure the hinges to the hood. This will ensure a smooth and secure fit. Optimizing the installation will make a big difference in the performance of your vehicle. Finalizing the installation. Carefully put the hood on the car, tape the fenders, and hand tighten the bolts first. Then, cut and adjust the bump stops with precision to avoid chipping the paint and ensure correct alignment. Take your time and make sure everything is in place before moving on to the next step. Finalizing the installation requires patience and attention to detail. Making precision adjustments. Loosen the fender and hood plates to make adjustments and meticulously move back and forth until the lines are perfect. Finally, adjust the hood latch to ensure proper alignment. This is the final touch to ensure a seamless installation. Making precision adjustments requires patience and attention to detail. With the billet hood hinges installed, you'll experience a seamless and smooth opening of the hood without any wobbling. A significant upgrade from factory hinges. Just remember to replace weak struts if needed, as they may not hold the hood up effectively. Enjoying the results of your hard work is the best part of the installation process. Here are some additional tips and tricks to keep in mind when installing billet hood hinges. 1. Make sure to clean and grease all moving parts to ensure a smooth operation. 2. Use a precision measuring tool to ensure accurate alignment. 3. Don't over-tighten the bolts, as this can damage the hood or hinges. 4. Consider upgrading to a strut reinforcement kit for added stability. In conclusion, installing billet hood hinges on your Camaro or Firebird can elevate both functionality and aesthetic appeal. By following these detailed steps and making necessary adjustments, you'll achieve a seamless installation that enhances your driving experience. Remember, at Auto V Fix, we're always here to help you understand and maintain your ride no matter what's under the hood. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and be sure to hit that notification bell for more great content. Please drop your comments below if there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover. We're always here to help you understand and maintain your ride, no matter what's under the hood. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.